My name is Karen Fox, and I am the Vice President of Trinity Tool Company. We manufacture the Trinco line of sandblasting equipment. Both men and women are very valuable. They show very strongly in every aspect of the manufacturing industry. They're everywhere from the front office to the welding atmosphere to the fabrication, shipping, and receiving. It's wonderful to see all people in the field working. I think today that people don't even notice. They're aware that men, women, people of different backgrounds all have the potential, with the right training and experience, to do anything they want. I think that women may be more respected and acknowledged that they do have the skills that they need to do the same thing that a man would do. The proof is in the pudding. You know, I don't care if you're a man or a woman, you have to prove yourself.